What you see here is the versatile GWB 10.8 Li Professional cordless angle drill driver. It's the compact solution for hard-to-reach areas. It has enough power to effortlessly drive screws with a diameter of up to 6 millimeters. Its head can be set to 5 different positions, which makes this drill driver extremely versatile. With its professional quality 10mm auto-lock chuck, it can be converted into a cordless drill in no time and can handle drilling diameters of up to 10mm in wood. And thanks to its extremely short head length of only 11 cm, it's perfect for working in extremely tight spaces. The practical charge level indicator enables you to check the charging state of the battery at any time. And the integrated LED light illuminates dark work areas perfectly. The high speed of up to 1300 revolutions per minute ensures fast work progress, especially when drilling in metal. Experience for yourself the GWB 10.8 Li Professional, the compact solution for hard-to-reach areas. Now available in the practical, unique L-Box.
Visit our website, www.qitmeer.biz, for more products, and buy online, with peace of mind.